Hi everyone, Daisy here again with another layout for Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. Today is day 10 and it is also my birthday today. Yay! I just showed you the sketch that we're doing, and then I'm using two cut files from Confessions of a Paper Addict, the Egg Mayhem and the Bunny Trail. And these are super cute and I'm using them in kind of an unconventional way. So I wanted to use them more as like die cuts, so I cut them out on my silhouette, and then I backed them with some different things. I used some vellum and then some pattern paper, and then cut them apart to kind of create these little die cuts. So in the sketch it has a bunch of tags off to one side, and I decided instead of doing tags I'm going to do a little cluster of bunnies and eggs, and then yeah, instead of the little cluster of tags. So otherwise I'm kind of sticking close-ish to the sketch. I'm doing this little block over here. I did create a banner in the background of that using some more vellum. And I am using two photos stacked on top of each other instead of the one photo that it kind of, or no, it suggested two photos, but it suggested them side by side, and I'm doing one on top of the other. I'm going to put the title kind of in the same spot, so everything else is kind of the same. I did do some stitching around the outside edge using some pink thread instead of doing a kind of border or doodly border. And then I also stitched through my title, which is Happy Easter. I do add the year underneath it because I felt like I needed a little something underneath there. And these are the Puffy Alpha from the Pink Fresh Studio Noteworthy collection. And I'm adding some Ellie Studio tags as well. The papers are all from the Chamel, the new Chamel collection. Never Grow Up, I think is what it's called. And I just picked some kind of fun, soft spring colors and went with those. I love the cut file so much. So the Egg Mayhem is actually a background cut file, and it has a variety of different eggs, and I was actually going to use that as white on white behind this layout, but I felt like it was a little too busy actually, even though it was a very subtle kind of busy. So that's why I chose just to cut some of them down, and I really like this effect a lot. And I love those little bunnies. They're so adorable. Just creating another cluster down here underneath the bunny and getting everything stuck down real well. Adding some of the hearts from the Ellie Studio die cut pack. Oh, and then I'm going to add some Spiegel Mom Scrap sequins. This is one of the new collections called Sierra Nevada, and it's beautiful, like peaches and purples and things like that. So I'm going to pull out a couple here that go with this. And I'm not one for like documenting Easter so much. This is more dyeing eggs. We always dye eggs, and so we get some great photos of it. And I don't think I've done this year yet, or this was from 2019. I don't think I've done a layout for it yet. But I could have, who knows? I lose track. So I'm finished with that, and then I think I'm just going to add the year, and then that's pretty much going to be it. So don't forget to head on over to the Confessions of a Paper Addict Facebook group, and then also check out the shop. Don't forget, that's where all these are located. I will have links down to everything below, but you should definitely check out the releases that she has for April, and then she's also got a lot of new cut files coming out over the next month or so. So definitely head on over and check that out, and I will see you again next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!